Stop everything you are doing right now. In the next 5 minutes, the person you are thinking of is going to experience a massive, undeniable shift in their soul. As you listen to this, they're going to realize that nothing, not their past, not their ego, and certainly not anyone else, matters more than being with you. They are about to reach a breaking point where they will willingly abandon everything just to be yours forever. If you are ready to become their only priority, stay with me until the very end. The energy we are building right now is a literal magnetic force. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now let's begin. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and let it out slowly. Feel your body becoming heavy. You are entering a sacred space where your word is law. Every breath you take is pulling their energy closer to yours. Feel the static between you dissolving. Now visualize them. See them in their current environment. Maybe they are surrounded by distractions or other people or their own fears. Watch as a sudden sharp thought of you pierces through it all. They are realizing that life without you is empty. Watch them look at their everything, their old habits, their excuses, their current path, and see it lose all its color. To them, you are the only source of light left. They are ready to leave it all behind. They are ready to walk away from everyone else just to stand at your door. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind or out loud with absolute certainty. They are abandoning all pride to reach out to me now. They are abandoning all pride to reach out to me now. I am the only person they see when they close their eyes. I am the only person they see when they close their eyes. Every obstacle between us is crumbling in this moment. Every obstacle between us is crumbling in this moment. They are choosing me over everything else permanently. They are choosing me over everything else permanently. Our love is the only reality they want to live in. Our love is the only reality they want to live in. Can you feel it? The shift has already happened. As we finish, carry this feeling of being chosen with you. It is done. To lock this in immediately, I want you to go to the comments right now and type, "I am their only choice, and they are coming home to me," to claim it. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you want to accelerate this even further and make their obsession with you unbreakable, I have something special for you. Head over to joybyjanell.com right now, where I have put together a free obsession spell specifically designed to manifest your person faster and more intensely than ever before. It is my gift to you to ensure they never look back. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. I also have other tools there specifically designed to bring your person back into your arms permanently. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.